oh my, not me giving into a trend with this E.L.F. Halo Glow Foundation in a shade number 7, but it's not like you can see that from the way I held the bottle. Anyway, I got turned on to this good stuff from Ohema Bonsu. She is an incredible creator here on Instagram and on YouTube. If you don't follow her, you definitely should. Anyway, watch me put this good stuff on and see how I feel about it in the end. Now I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk liner, and then I'm going to add some of this beautiful chocolate brown ColourPop lipstick. I have been looking for the perfect chocolate to go with my chocolate skin, and I found it. Then I'm going to use this Powder Puff by NYX. I love this color. I believe it's called Best Buds Duck Lips. And now I'm going to use the Mercier Caviar eyeshadow stick in metallic taupe. Give a little rub in, adjust my scarf, spray my spritz, and go about my merry way. Tell me what you think. I think it worked out pretty well. Bye, dolls.